Hi ladies and gentlemen, it's my 2012 Craftsman YT3000 Tractor with chrome wheelie hubcaps, cool mist air conditioning, with a 21 horse platinum briggs and stratton motor, a nice brush guard, 6-level cut, automatic, with reverse cut. Cuts real nice. Great tractor. I'll start it up for you. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm just going to give you a little glimpse at the motor. Thank you very much, and tell me what you think of my tractor. Take care, have a great day. God bless.